Next we are going to learn example 4.5. Example 4.5. The income of a person is increased by 10%. The income of a person is increased by 10% and then decreased by 10%. Find the change in his income. Find the change in his income. We don't know what is the income of a person. What is the income of the person? Therefore, that it will be any number. For example, the income of the person is 100 rupees or 1000 rupees, 1 lakh. It can be anything. But the income is increased by 10% first. Then the increased amount decreased by 10%. Then find the change in his income. Now, let us take. Let his income be 100 rupees. I take like this 100 rupees. Then this income increased by 10%. Income after 10% increase. In 6th class you will learn algebraic verbal statements. Verbal statement எப்படி equation form பண்றது algebraic equation நீங்க பாத்தீங்க. So likewise that income after 10% increase means income will be 100 rupees. Increase means plus addition. Additional 10% increase ஆக போகுது. எதுல? இந்த இனிஷியல் அமௌண்ட்ல 100 plus 10% of 100. Therefore 100 into 10% எப்படி எழுதுங்க? 10 by 100. Now it is equal to 100 plus 1 tens are 10, 10 tens are 100. Now 1 tens are 10 and 10 tens are 100. That is equal to 100 plus 100, 10 into 1 10 by nothing. Therefore 100 plus 10 110 rupees. Therefore the income after 10% increase is 110. The income after 10% increase is 100. Now income after 10% decrease. After 10% decrease is first his income is 100 rupees. That 100 rupees increased by 10%. Increased by 10%. Then that income changed into 110 rupees. Okay. Now this 110 rupees income is decreased by 10%. Now this 110 rupees income is decreased by 10%. Therefore decreased 110 decrease means subtract minus 110 of 10%. Therefore into 10 by 100. 10 by 100 that is equal to 110 minus 0 and 0 cancel. Okay. 1 tens are 10, 11 tens are 110. That is equal to 110 minus 11. 110 minus 11. Therefore 110 minus 11 that is equal to 99 rupees. 99 rupees. Are you clear? Now the income after 10% decrease is 99. In the question I asked, find the change in his income. First his income is increased by 10%. Then that income is increased income is decreased by 10%. Then we will get. Now he has the income of 99. What they ask, find the change in his income. Find the change in his income. Now his income is 99. Therefore we are going to find out the percentage of change. Therefore net change in his income, net change in his income, that is equal to, first he got 900 rupees. Now he got a income of 99. There is the change. Change means the initial amount income is 100 rupees, then it is increased by 10. Then we will get 110 rupees of income. After 110 rupees of income, that income decreased by 10%, then we will get 99. Therefore, the net change in his income is first initial income, then 10% increase and decreased income, that is 99. 100 minus 99, that is equal to 1 rupee. 1. Therefore, percentage of change, because they ask the change, therefore percentage of change, that is equal to 1 by 100 initial amount into 100. Therefore 1 percentage. 100 and 100 cancel, then percentage is equal 1 percentage. Therefore that is income of the person. Income of the person is reduced by 1%. Reduced by 1%. Clear? In this problem, you should be clear. We don't know the what exact income of the person. Therefore, we assume the income of the person is 100 rupees. We assume the income of the person is 100 rupees. Then we increase by that income is increased by 10%. After 10% increase, we get 110. Then this 110 is increased by 10%, we get 99. Then we find the change in his income, that is net change in his income is the initial amount and after 10% increase and decrease, that is 99. Therefore 100 minus 99, that is 1. Now we find the percentage, that is equal to 1 by 100 into 100. Why? We know how to find out the percentage in our lower class. Change, the change is 1, therefore initial amount 100, therefore 1 by 100 into 100. We find the percentage of change is 1%. Thank you, students.